I am so excited for you guys to learn more about the 335 RLP Crusader. And one of the sticking points outside here is a automotive painted front cap. And then we also have a gel coat high gloss finish all around the cap as well. We also want to highlight a fully laminated slide box underneath too as well. And also we have a fully laminated rear wall, which also gives you that sturdier build. With this 335 RLP, it comes standard with 2 awnings. And then also too, when you look out here, you see this full pass-through storage with a lot of opportunities to pack a lot of coolers, things like that. And over there, if you can see as well, is that we have your automatic, which is standard, your 4-point leveling system here. You will notice here, there is a little mechanism here that the light is red right now, but that is your tire pressure monitoring system that comes standard in all your mid-pro Crusaders. Right next to the pass storage is a little doggy leash as well. So for any of you got your dogs, and you can have them sit there and have that peace of mind and know that you can leash them up. Also too, you come with 2 30-pound LP tanks as well. One here on this side and one on the other side as well. All right, so now we're getting ready to show you the inside of the 335. And right before we get in there, you'll see the Lippert solid steps, which makes it a very easy entrance to come into the camper. So once we come in, as you can see, we have a friction door with the industry-leading 30-inch entry into your camper as well. So follow me. So we're inside the 335 RLP. I am really excited to show you guys this magnificent modern farmhouse camper. But when you first walk in, as you will notice, a lot of the industry has gone into these touchless screen where you can actually control your unit from your phone, where you can control your lights, your leveling, your awnings, things to that nature. But also, if something were to ever happen, you also have that peace of mind. If, let's say, you're not tech savvy, we also still added the manual buttons that can still control your slide outs, your lights, your leveling, your vents, all that stuff. All right, so here in the 335, we are in the kitchen area. Here, as you will see, this is one of the options that comes with this, is that you have 2 chairs, a legless dinette set, and a ottoman. We've heard, people like the ottomans, people like the 4 chairs, but we split it in half and gave you a fully functional ottoman that comes with storage. You also, with these 2 chairs, you still have storage as well. So you can put plates, silverware, things of that nature. But there's a lot of things that, like we said, we try to maximize this kitchen area to add as much storage as possible so that you have more storage inside your coach as compared to outside. The RL, which means rear living, this is one of the #1 couples coaches floor plan that is out in the industry. And what we did was a lot of things that we try to do different from our competitors. As far as, and the first thing you will notice that you'll see an 80-inch residential sofa. So fellas, if you ever want to watch the game or you get kicked out from the bedroom by the wife, you can come back, sit back here and relax. And by the way, I am 6'5", and sit back and relax and watch the TV if you need to. Also, comes out as a full-size pull-out bed, not your jackknife. All right, so from across from the TV, you'll find your theater seating, where it's got heated cups and also USB ports on both cup holders. But there's one of the things that we've done differently. A lot of times you'll see here, you'll see a TV, you'll see some shelving here, you'll see your pantry, which makes this floor plan feel closed off. So what we decided to do to add our own little twist is that we added the TV onto a televator. So what that means is, instead of having this all blocked off now, we've opened it all up with the televator TV, and also it added extra counter space top. And also you'll notice too, you got your Furion sound bar, and then you also have a fireplace as well that can really heat up and keep this area right here nice and heated for you. All right, so welcome to the kitchen. And the first thing you're gonna notice that's keeping the modern farmhouse theme is that you're gonna see a butcher block countertop. Real wood, fully usable, you can cut, you can dice, whatever you need to do. Another thing you're gonna find, and this is being a mid-pro, you're gonna find a lot of full pro qualities in there, such as, higher end luxury stuff. And one of the things that pops out is this residential 24-inch Insignia oven. So no more just cooking cookies and biscuits anymore. Now you're actually having turkeys, hams, ribs, whatever you want, but this is a fully functional residential 4-burner stove that as you can see, we're fitting some turkeys and hams in there. And also you got some little storage underneath for pots and pans and things of that nature. And also it comes with a 30-inch residential microwave as well, where you got storage here, storage there, and you got storage up above as well. So plenty of storage. So remember when I talked about the RLP? Well, the P stands for pantry. All right, so in this segment in the mid-pro, we are the few that actually have a full walk-in pantry. And as when I open it up, as you will see, you have storage up here, you have electrical here, you have a light here to turn on and off, and you also have storage on this side as well, where you can store your spices, anything that you might need. So this is a whole, pretty much like a little small little closet that is attached to your kitchen. All right, when you come into your bathroom, the first thing you're gonna notice is this big, huge shower, 48-inch shower, where you have full one-piece fiberglass shower with a seat, and also you have storage on the left side of the shower and a porcelain toilet. Now we're here into the bedroom, and as you will see, there is a residential king bed, where you got storage on the side, and there's also electrical on the side as well. When I was mentioning about a mid-pro having full pro type qualities, you will see that there's a full walk-in closet with stackable washer and dryer prep. Hey, I just want to say thanks again for touring with me over the 335 RLP Crusader. If you have any questions, please visit our website at primetimerv.com, and also you can find us on social media such as YouTube and also Instagram as well.